Unlock the secret pro aiming technique to consistently land headshots in Roblox Arsenal. Boost your accuracy and climb the leaderboards. Hey Roblox warriors! Want to dominate Arsenal like a pro? I'm revealing a game-changing aiming secret that top players use to nail headshots every time. Ready to boost your accuracy and leave your friends in awe? Let's jump in.
First up, it's all about your crosshair. Keep it at head height as you move around the map. This not only preps you for instant headshots but also anticipates enemy movements. Predict where they'll pop and boom. Headshot mastery. Here's the secret sauce: strafing. While moving side to side, align your shots perfectly. This technique throws off enemy aim while you stay locked on target. Get ready to dominate every duel effortlessly. Now you're ready to rack up those kills. With these tricks, your kill streak will skyrocket. Watch your name climb up the leaderboards and feel like a true pro. Get out there and show everyone what you're made of. Ready to give it a shot? Try these tips in your next game and watch the magic happen. Comment below if it worked and smash that subscribe button for more epic Roblox secrets every day. Keep gaming, legends.